Alright, out here fishing Utah Lake. I've already caught about 5, and Nicole's caught 3. And so it's been kind of slow. Every once in a while they come up though. Still kind of figuring out what they want. Just using spinners for right now. She's got size 1. I guess I got size 1 too. Is yours size 1 or 0?
I'd have to look. I think it's 1.
Anyways, that's what's going on. So we'll see how good of a day it is. We're gonna kind of move around as the day goes by. We just decided they might be here more than anywhere else this time of day.
It says a 4 on it.
Yeah. There you go. Nice. Nice job, Nicole. Gonna have to hit that same rock you got stuck on.
No, that was a little bit more than I am.
Your best bet's always to learn where everything is. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
If you don't forget.
That's the hard part, remembering.
Nice, that was a nice take.
That was a nice take.
The silver's just starting to outshine me.
Trying to get better at deleting as I go when it's useless, so I don't have 15 million of them to
do.
transfer later.
That's why even if I'm filming for a long time, I'll cut it, so I don't have to deal with long footage either.
Not far at all. You can do that from the GoPro?
Yeah, well no, there you go. They're liking that silver. Might have to change up to silver.
Yeah, they seem to be really enjoying the silver at the moment.
Oh, I hit your stupid rock. Gosh dang it.
Sucks, doesn't it?
Dang it. How'd you get yours out?
I kind of pulled that
You
back
just broke
and
it?
then I went to break it and it came out both times.
I don't think it's going out. There you go. I gotta switch up what I'm using. I think this little one's gonna get it done. Kicking my butt over there. Ooh, I just had a fish go up and try to hit it.
Did you?
The guy's going a little too fast. They're hitting it pretty close to shore sometimes.
I know. Some of them are.
There you go.
Sorry, I'm not wrapped around you.
No. Like wrapped around his fin. You got that silver one figured out.
Help me out.
You can grab from the bottom side too, but watch out for the top and the sides. You help? Nice job.
Thanks.
Oh no. Want to see? Here, hold that.
Did you get it?
Oh, your fit rod feels way better than mine. No wonder you're catching up. Well, I didn't spin right. I would need to fix it, but
Thank you for dangling me or snagging me. Here's the reason it didn't spin right. Here we go.
it's gotten slow. Finally, been getting my butt kicked by Nicole. I had to switch up to something a little more silver. Thought I got into a snag with a fish.
I don't know the way it behaved almost snaggy.
Right? It's a bigger one. Give your cell phone. Can I use your cell phone?
Oh, yeah.
Mine's just covered in fry sauce.
Sorry, I'm getting distracted by watching a giant plane take off.
Go ahead and watch it. Sorry.
There we go. I like planes.
I like turtles too. You good?
Yeah.
Ah, dang it.
Sorry, I distracted you.
I got a bump. That's not hitting rocks. Ah, it's fish.
Nope, I don't think that was a rock.
You guys getting bumps the whole time. They bumped me a few times. 5 or 6.
It was unsure. Oof.
Come on. Sorry, I showed my thumb, ain't he? Jeez.
That was
He's really in there. He was really in there. I just couldn't get the right pressure in the right spot. Nice. Nice job.
Okay.
Getting a bite. Dang it.
Nice.
No.
Oh.
Snaggle. Huh?
I think when we need spots, it's more sensible. We're starting to get
No, for sure.
both of us.
For sure.
I really have no desire to go through the pains that I went through last year.
It was here, huh?
This was the first place I burned, yeah. And I was so burnt. And my brain was like, no, it's gonna tan, you're not even gonna peel. Man, was I wrong. What?
A ways out there.
You can still catch him like that.
No, you can. He's hefty. Isn't he?
He's pretty chunky, actually. Or she.
For whatever. It's hard to tell if there's really even a size difference on a lot of them. So I missed the majority of my hot fishing. I wasn't gonna record, and then I decided why not. By the time I got hooked up and ready, Nicole started killing me. So I think she outbeat me there at the end. We kept losing spinners every other cast, and kind of hurts to lose $5 each spinner. But news alert, we actually just moved to Eagle Mountain. I'm gonna be pretty far away from moving water for a while, so gotta get used to warm water species and fish in Utah Lake. We were gonna go move to a different spot, but we decided since we're gonna be so close, let's come back at a later day when the fishing is a little hotter. So we'll be back in the next week or two after we kind of get settled in. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time.